It looks like pure sweetness, yet there's zero sugar. The secret is a flavor and sweetener build that hits your brain like real soda.
Everything starts with water. It's filtered and purified until it's neutral, because great soda is built on clean nothingness. Membrane filtration and UV treatment strip out off notes. If the base tastes flat, the final drink never pops.
Membrane filtration and UV treatment strip out off notes. If the base tastes flat, the final drink never pops.
That bite you feel? That's COL. It's stored, regulated, and kept pure because carbonation is both texture and taste.
Zero sugar doesn't mean zero sweetness. High-intensity sweeteners arrive in small amounts, but they steer the whole flavor.
These are dosed like medicine. A fraction too much tastes sharp, too little tastes watery, so the measurement has to be perfect.
The trick is blending sweeteners for a smoother sweetness curve. Fast hit, rounded middle, clean finish, without that diet aftertaste.
Acids bring the snap. They balance sweetness, brighten aroma, and make your tongue read it as real, even with no sugar.
Most taste is actually smell. Concentrated flavor compounds are added in drops, then sprayed evenly so every sip feels full.
Before carbonation, the base is filtered again. Clarity isn't just pretty. Particles can ruin mouthfeel and stability.
Quality checks lock the target: acidity, aroma strength, and consistency. This is where sweet gets tuned without adding sugar. Now the concentrated base meets purified water. The mix has to be perfectly even. One weak pocket can flatten an entire batch.
Oxygen is flavor's enemy. Deaeration removes trapped air so the soda tastes brighter and stays fresher longer.
Cold liquid holds more COCC, so the mix is chilled, because the colder it is, the sharper the sparkle.
Here's the transformation. CO2 is injected under pressure and dissolves into the liquid, turning flavor into that crisp, biting sensation.
While the soda carbonates, containers get cleaned and dried. Any dust or moisture can wreck foam control at the filler.
Filling is a race against foam. Cold temperature, steady pressure, and precise timing keep carbonation in the drink, not in the air.
The seal is everything. One imperfect seam and CO through escapes, so machines check torque and alignment in real time. Every unit is inspected: fill level, weight, and seal integrity. If something's off, it's removed automatically.
A quick rinse and dry stabilizes temperature and removes residue. Clean bottles mean cleaner handling and stronger packaging later.
Next, it's grouped and packed. The goal is speed without scuffs, because a flawless pack signals a premium drink.
Robots build pallets with repeatable precision, tight stacks that ship safely without crushing a single bottle.
And that's the trick. Clean water, smart sweetener blending, bright acids, and perfect carbonation. Zero sugar, but it still tastes sweet.